Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to hide photos and videos on your Xiaomi 15T. Okay, so first of all, you should go to Gallery application on your Xiaomi 15T and access specific photo or video that you want to hide, and now tap three-dot button in the bottom right corner of your screen and select option Add to Album. So now find Private Album, tap OK button, and now we can see this little message that says Added to Private Album. So as you can see, I have hidden my photo to my hidden album, but I forgot to mention that the first time you use this feature, you'll be prompted to set privacy protection password. So you have to draw the pattern and confirm it once again, and this will be your password for every single time next time that you enter this hidden album. Okay, so how to now access the private album if you want to review your photo or video in your private album. First of all, you have to go to Albums tab in the bottom corner of your screen, in the bottom side of your screen, and you have to perform specific gesture. So you have to place your finger near the top of your screen and drag it down toward the middle and keep holding until you see this message release to open private folder. So let me show you once again, like this. And now you want to enter your privacy protection password with your pattern, and boom, this is your private album. So yeah, here you can review every single photo that you have ever hidden, and if you want to unhide photo or video, if you want them to display on your main gallery, you have to select specific photo and look for an option. Okay, you have to press and hold specific photo that you want to remove from your private album and select this remove from private album button and add to your camera roll. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.